You know, I gotta tell you.
Baby, I gotta compliment ya. Tell you how you looking today. How you doing today? Girl, you nipple them stiffer than Ackee seed. Yeah. Girl, I scream out, can't keep up to me cocky speed. Yeah. She take off like an athlete, so you at the lead. Yeah. Girl, come one pon the edge, cause of that me need. Now go hurt in a disbelieve. Yes, girl, come sprawl, we. Inna me bed, make me walk you, make you crawl, we. Yeah, cock up your foot pon the wall, de. Phone a ring, but no answer the call, de. Yeah, no girl can call me smaller. When me jamming it like a Bob Marley. Pon the big leather couch, not the hall, de. Walk her, make she see penny whiley. Yeah, so girl, anyway me roll me walk you, me fuck you hard. Inna the hotel, the motel, a rope a yard. Girl, I squeeze me tight, I say busy, no go so hard. So I get ready for the belly, fi go forward. Girl, anytime I see your face, I wanna be beside ya. Me always I try push it inside ya. Me I wonder what God did use line you, me have to remind ya. You nipple them stiff up like Ackee seed. Yeah. Girl, I scream out, can't keep up to the cocky speed. Yeah. She take off like an athlete, way at the lead. Yeah. Me say fi wine pon the edge, girl, and that me need. Baby girl, don't disbelieve, yeah. Alright, oh. She say fuck fast, then she say fuck slow. And to how she a go and she never fuck so. Push up the cocky ring till he buck so. Yeah, up in her room, me go send this a broom. Girl a ball, pat the pum pum and a tell me say dumb. Inna the middle, me no go the fi giggle. Girl a ball, cause me no go the selfie tickle. Nah, anytime me and my girl a grow. More time the home move. Sometime the ride get rougher than pavement, and next time it's smooth. Baby go on TikTok might as well. My love me like a damsel. Girl, the nipple them stiffer than Ackee seed. Yeah. She can't even keep up to the cocky speed. Yeah. She take off like an athlete to check the lead. Yeah. Enough of them a plan from breeze, you see. Yeah. The nipple them stiffer than Ackee seed. Yeah. Baby girl, I know it's kinda unusual, but this is you, girl. Them nipple they want pine for me, and I say, boop.